Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for checking in. If this is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valerie and I am, the practical decorator helping you to make it home. Now, I am very excited to show you part 2 of that vintage sideboard that I made over. It's the reveal. But before I show you how it came out, I just wanted to let you know a couple of things that I thought about in restoring this cabinet. Restoring, because I'm not a professional restorer, but I did my best, so be kind. So there are 2 things that I did not want to do when I was restoring this cabinet. One, I did not want to do any sanding. Now, if you saw the 2 previous videos, you will see that there were some stains. There were some white stains on both doors and on one of the drawers, and so I needed to get the stain out, and I thought about sanding, but then I said no, I don't want to sand it, because if I do, now only am I going to be taking a layer off, but then I may have to end up sanding the whole thing, and then I may have to even think about restaining, and I didn't want to make that drastic change. So yeah, I got the stains out and I did not sand, so that makes me very happy. Another thing is, I did not want to paint this lovely vintage sideboard, right? Because I don't mind painting, because there's a place for paint. I painted this cabinet up here because it was a replica and it wasn't really vintage. It was very shine, and I wanted to get rid of the sheen, so I gave it a Shabby Chic makeover. And this door here was fixed. I changed it and I put hinges on, I put the pull on, and so all 3 doors are operational now. I think I have a video how I did the whole project on the channel, so I'll go ahead and link that for you. I'll probably drop it in the description box so you can check it out. But yeah, I wanted to stay away from paint when it came to this, because this was absolutely a vintage piece with some very lovely period features like the marquetry and the original pulls, the dovetail joints and the rosettes. And so yeah, I wanted to keep it just stained wood, right? And so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like now, and also show you what I have tucked away in all the drawers. And yeah, so let's go. Ta-da! What do you think, friends? I am very happy with how it turned out. Do you remember the stains that were on the doors and on the drawers? They're all gone now. I'm going to take you a little closer so you can see it. There we go, friends. Now you saw, if you saw the video part 1, you would have seen what I did when I was trying to restore this lovely sideboard. And so you saw what I did. Now you're seeing what it looks like. And I still have all the original pulls are still there. It's minus the white stains. Check out the detail on this thing. Lovely marquetry, and the egg and dart in the corner there with the rosette. Egg and dart all around the drawers here. I think it would be shameful for me to put paint on this. So I am so happy that I restored it without painting and also without sanding. Now to the top, take a look at the top. Now I used linseed oil as the conditioner, and I tell you, if you want to condition something, if you don't know it, now you know it. Use some linseed oil. Like there was a mark here which looked like somebody was writing a number or something there, scratched it into the surface, and just a little linseed oil and it's all gone. Here's the one side. The other side is up against the wall. It's close quarters. So yeah, what do you think, friends? Let me know what you think about my little restoration project here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I actually have inside. I needed the storage and I'm happy I got the storage I needed, because I had this cabinet over there. This cabinet is gonna be sent over there in the passageway on the way to the media room, but I got to do some work over there before it goes over. But yeah, now I'm happy I have this unit here because it fits in nicely, just enough space for it. And yeah, it will be used as a storage, as I said before, and a sideboard, which means that I'm not going to be putting a lot of stuff on the top, because I want to have space just in case I'm hosting a dinner, maybe in my dreams, and I need space to put extra stuff in the dining room. So it has 3 drawers. This one here is a very long drawer. There we go. We have all my table linen, tablecloth, napkins, placemats in here. So I had ample space here to hold all I have, plus I have a little room left here, if you can see the room right here. Okay, so that's that. Then this one, I am keeping all my trays. All my vintage trays are in this drawer. Trays and Lazy Susan. This is a Lazy Susan, believe it. Yeah, so I have more space. I can put more trays. Then here we have some cutlery. So I have extra forks and spoons, spreaders that I don't need to use or I don't use on a daily basis. Too much in the kitchen, so some has to stay here. And then this comes out, and here I have my serving utensils, these type of things. And this set here, my hubby and I got when we got married over 31 years ago. We hardly ever use it, just on special occasions. The truth is, sometimes I don't remember that we have it. But yeah, now it has a home to stay, because usually I have it hanging around on some surface. But now I have drawer space to put it. I have like napkin rings and coasters. More coasters back here, and I have space can put more napkin rings and more coasters. Oh yeah, let's pop this back in. But this holds so much more than the one that was here before. On this side, I have my glass platters and my glass bowl. And my goodness, the cinnamon that I put in this baggie and throw in here, it smells so good in here. And I put it in here too, so my table linens will smell so much like cinnamon when I take them out to use them, which is a good thing. And then on this side here, I have some more serving platters. These ones are porcelain and ceramic, and a lovely punch bowl. Now, do you have one of these punch bowls? These are so traditional. Haven't used this in years. Probably got to pull it out and use it this Christmas. If you have one of these in your house, let me know. Go ahead and tell me about it in the comment section. Now, I see a lot of them in Restore being sold all the time. Or I see why I should get rid of it. It's very good. It's useful. So I keep it. There we go. So yeah, as I said before, I will not be putting a lot on the surface. So what I think, what I'm going to do is I have some cake plates in this tray. So I basically just keep my cake trays in here, right in the center. Hopefully somebody will bake me some cake this Christmas so I can have some cakes and some muffins and some scones. If you guys have any recipe, you can drop it below and let me know some of your very good recipes that you have for the Christmas. And I have this big blue cup bowl that I bought for some time now. I think I bought it at Home Sense Winners, and I'm gonna put it over here in this corner. I'm just taking my hydrangeas out. I plucked them, or I picked them today because I have an idea for a Christmas project that I will be doing. So look forward to seeing that on the channel. Yeah, so that's gonna stay over there. And I think the next thing I'm going to put on, which is the last thing I'm going to put on, is this lamp. And I just put the lamp on a green tray, cutting board sort of thing, charcuterie board sort of thing, that I picked up at the Restore for $2. So yeah, that's it. That's as much as I'm gonna put on the surface of this lovely sideboard. I think this is a successful restoration. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. And please, if you are visiting the channel for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, do me a favor and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks for spending the time with me. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me. Please like, comment, share, and yeah, share. Can't be too much. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.